Hello children, now I am with the third part of chapter 5, public and private healthcare services. Little bit I given the explanation, and public health services we have done. So now I am coming to the topic private health services, children. Okay, so public health services is what which is run by the government. Private health services, children, in the rural and urban areas, doctors run their own private clinics. Means here government role is not there. Okay, any doctor, MBBS doctor, if they have done completed their degree, so they open their own clinic. They run their own clinic. So in rural area also you can find, and in urban area also you can find that doctors run their own private clinics. So hospitals and nursing homes providing specialized services are also privately owned. Many laboratories that offers special facilities also, children, as such as the ultrasound, MRI, X-ray, etc. है ना? So are also there. Means in that hospital and that clinic, many chemist shops are also there from where we can buy medicine. So these all are the private sectors, we can say. The private healthcare facilities, children, are not controlled by government, as I already said to you that the private health services are not controlled, not looked after by government. Okay, in private health centers, patients have to pay a lot of money for the test and the treatment. As already I explained you, if you will compare with the public health services to the private health services, so in public health services that very nominal charges they take, but in private just opposite is that the person should have a lot of money for treatment, है ना? Therefore it is not possible for the poor people to get the treatment done at private hospital. That's the reasons is that poor people, those whose economic condition is not that much strong, so they go to the government hospital. Understood? So they mostly depend on the locally available quacks or doctors in that area. Though the health services, children, in the private sectors has developed a lot, there is a reason also, children. If you compare with the, of course the government is running their facilities very good, but if you are compare with the private hospitals to the government hospital, so in facilities also there is a difference. Okay, so that's the reason people they go to the private hospitals. So today if we have many big private hospitals are there which dealing with the various diseases, but they are costly, so the poor and weaker ones cannot afford these hospitals. So it's no doubt the private hospitals are also running very nicely. They are providing very good facilities to the people. They have a good quality equipment for the treatment. But if you will think about the charges of those hospitals, so that is too costly for the poor section. It is not possible to go to the private hospital because they cannot afford those fees and that costly treatment. So that's the reason that weaker section of the section of the society or poor ones, they refers to go to the government hospital. Healthcare and equality, children. In India, we come across a situation in which we find the private healthcare centers are increasing. Okay, and these centers are concentrated mainly in the urban area. Such services are run only for profit making, and the cost of services provided is quite high. It is true, children, that a private health services somewhere, if you will see that, so that is run only for the profit making. And because of the profit making, that cost of those services are very high, which is not possible for the weaker section or poor section of the society. And the private health centers are continuously, means we can say increasing. A number of the private health care centers are increasing, especially in the urban area. Only very few individuals are there who can afford the cost of such services go to these hospitals. While the Constitution of India states that it is primarily the duty of the government to provide health care facility to all and ensure the welfare of the people. As our constitution states there, the central and state government to ensure to see that the welfare of its citizen and the health facility, it should be provided to all. But when it comes to everyone's mind is why equal and adequate facilities are not provided to everyone. Is adequate health care available to all? The health facilities in India are not adequate or evenly available to all. The duty of providing equal health services to all its citizens, the poor people of our country, is with the government. Yes, and the health depends on the basic amenities provided to the people. The social condition children they are living in and on the health care services provided. Hence, it is important to concentrate on all the aspects of the health to improve the health scenario of our people. Children, as we are talking about healthcare and equality, as I read this paragraph also, is of course children, we says that the private hospitals they charged costly, and really they the numbers which are increasing day by day for the private health centers. The reason is that these are because of the profit making. Yes, of course, that is the profit making, but with that they are providing the high quality facilities. They have a special services, special treatments. In a one hospital only you will get all kind of facilities. Even the X-ray, ultrasound, any kind of disease is there, they are able to solve the issues. Somewhere people they are lacking. People they know, children, we know that we have to, for the same disease, if we will go to the government hospital in very less amount, the problem can be solved. But even though, why people they go to the private sector, it is a question mark. Yes, people they know they have to pay very high amount. Then also a common people or a common person whose pocket is not allowed, but then also they try to go to the private hospitals. So what is the reason behind that? So because facilities and treatments are available in the government hospital also, and the facilities provided in the private hospitals also. And in private hospital, we have to pay big amount for the same diseases if we will compare to the government hospital. Then also people happily they go to the private hospital. They are ready to pay high because they are not confident that if they will go to the government hospital, their life will be safe. Our constitution said that they directs to the central and state government to ensure that all the facilities it should be available to provided to all. Then also, so reason is that there is a vast difference in treatment, equipment, even the facilities also. The doctors in the government hospitals, they are available, but sometimes they are not in their duty times. Facilities are there, but equipment for that treatment which is required, that is not in proper condition. है ना? The doctors they are not available in timely. Medicines which they are provided, means people of course whose pocket is not allowed, they will not go to the private hospital, they will go to the government hospital only. But they can try to go to the private hospital, they first give the reference to the private hospital. If you will ask to the poor section also, so they think like that it is their helpness, है ना बेटा? जिसका पॉकेट अलाउ नहीं करता है वो भी, if you will ask to them, so they are not very happy with the treatment of the government which is they are providing. So why is it so? So here we have to improve. The government really, they should ensure that their equipment for the treatment, that should be in a proper condition. Doctors should come in a proper way and proper timing. They should give proper time to the patient. Even the cleanliness in the hospital or their primary health centers, that should be in a proper way. It should be maintained, each and everything. So if everything will be good condition, so I don't think so the people will go to the private hospital. So reason is that to go to the private hospital, and private hospital day by day private health services, we can say day by day the number is increasing. What is the reason? Even I have seen in urban area children, if you will go to the hospital, so many patients they come from the rural area, means to the from the village, and they are also going to the private hospitals. They are trying to pay. Why? Because they want to save the life of their family members. So one thing they know that if we will pay high here, we have to pay high amount, but the patient of our family, that will be safely, he or she will come back, which is they are not ensured, they are not confident with the government hospital. So that is the reason our government should try to improve their facility. है ना? They should try to give more and more facility with the good maintenance. Then only people they will go to the government hospital. So this chapter we have done, children. Here I think so you have now understand role of the government in health. What is the role of the government in health? So in this chapter, what is the health is there, what is the public health services, private health services, I have explained. Please read the book, because this all the topics you will get in your next class also. So when you will study properly, then you will understand for the next class also. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care.